I need a hot girl. Hot boys, I need a hot girl. Channel song. Alright, we got an imp in reverse. Sun. Drop it like it's hot. Uh-oh. Alright. So I feel like here it's an imp in reverse. The light has been shedded on who he's rejected. And he's in his head about it. He's seeing now, got clarity on who he rejected. I feel like he rejected an earth angel, a star, either a Sagittarius or an Aquarius. He's realizing he rejected his victory. Ooh. One more. Yeah. He's realizing he rejected his gift. He wanted a hot girl. He wanted a hot girl. He wanted that hot girl.
I say toss her groupie ass out the window and let that hoe stargaze from outside.
Now, Riley, there's never a place for violence in a relationship.
There just seemed to be a place at the restaurant last night. She made you look like a bitch in front of us.
Boy, watch your mouth. Probably started out charitable. She took you in, was probably teaching you how to read.
But Granddad, she did make Mr. Dubois look like a bitch.
Yeah, we all know she made Tom look like a bitch, but found a different way to say it. Next thing you know, you rubbing against that silky white skin.
But I don't know the non-curse way to say he got bitch.
Humiliated, castrated, emasculated.
All right, I get the point.
I mean, I could see if it was a real nigga. If you lost your hoe to T.I., I'd be like, hey, that's T.I. But Usher, you better check that hoe, Mr. Dubois.
You know what? You guys are right. I'm gonna go back there and put her in check.